service accept. The dog now give them piano to It's a small gift from the community fund. Happy birthday once again. In your dojo, Sisterhood Day. Sister Shanto from Manga, Government of Australia. Sister Lucina represents Hong At the same time, our Diocese of Kohima observes 24 May 2026 as Sisterhood Day. Wishing all the three sisters, Superior Sister Magdalene, Sister Lucy, Sister Paulina, Happy Sisterhood Day. Dear sisters, on this Sisterhood Day, I, on behalf of the St. Paul's community, once again would like to express our heartfelt gratitude and profoundly acknowledging for being a profound source of light, grace, and strength in our community. Your selfless dedication to serving others and your unwavering faith inspire all of us every single day. Happy Sisterhood. Now, I request the youth again to kindly assist our assistant Catholics to hand over a small gift prepared by our community to hand over to sister. Another sister Lucina, Sister Antontua Enochivoda. Triple the tree toss. Mata Sisterhood Day sister. Also, immediate gift on behalf of Nana, the launch of sister on the marriage. Once over Happy Sisterhood. With that, our occasion comes to an end. With the assistant